In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks tailored specifically for an auto repair shop. We know that running a repair shop comes with unique challenges, managing invoices, handling payments, and keeping track of time entries. Well, QuickBooks offers a streamlined way to navigate these tasks, and today, I'll guide you through this process step by step. Let's start by heading over to QuickBooks. Open your web browser and go to the QuickBooks website. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. For those who are new, follow the sign-up prompts. It's straightforward and they guide you through each part of the setup smoothly. Once you're in, QuickBooks can become the central hub for your shop's financial management. You're probably wondering how QuickBooks can fit into the operations of an auto repair shop. First off, QuickBooks allows you to create detailed invoices. Imagine a customer comes in for a routine oil change or a more extensive repair. With QuickBooks, you can generate an invoice swiftly that lists out all services and parts provided. Now, about receiving payments, it's practically seamless. Whether your customers prefer to pay via credit card, bank transfers, or even integrated payment gateways, QuickBooks supports it all. You can quickly update invoices to reflect these payments, ensuring prompt financial clarity for you and your clients. Let's delve into estimates, a lifesaver for setting expectations upfront about costs. Say a potential customer contacts you looking for an estimate for their vehicle repair. With QuickBooks, you can prepare an accurate quote that details potential expenses, broken down by service and parts, and send it directly to them. This transparency builds trust and professionalism. It doesn't end there. QuickBooks also manages bill payments, ensuring that your relationships with suppliers remain positive by keeping track of when bills are due and organizing payments. And for those days full of activity, the payroll feature is indispensable, especially if you have a team of mechanics working under you. It helps calculate salaries, deductions, and ensures everyone is paid accurately and on time. On to time entries, an essential feature if you have employees clocking in hours. Tracking their work time, especially in a dynamic environment like an auto repair shop, is crucial. QuickBooks provides tools to log hours effortlessly, aiding in accurate payroll and even performance tracking to see where your team's strengths lie. Now, with all these tools, you may be thinking, this sounds like a lot, where do I end? But it's simple. Once you've tailored QuickBooks to meet these needs, whether it's invoicing, payment processing, payroll, or estimates, you'll find managing your auto repair shop becomes remarkably effective. Therefore, by leveraging QuickBooks, you'll not only keep your finances organized, but also enhance the operational efficiency of your business. Remember, as with anything new, take it one step at a time, and soon, navigating through QuickBooks will become second nature. So dive in, start exploring, and see just how much smoother it can make your business operations.